it back all complete on. Just, I got the speaker in here and I got that, and so we just plug it up one more time if that thing isn't gone or if not or whatever. But see, there's that. Here's this. In fact, that's weird. I don't remember that happening. I'm seeing that, but shouldn't be any effect. Okay, so. This has a little pointer on it, so get that. So it fast forwards now. That's the whole problem. Before it wouldn't do that. So it's to stop. Well. Oh no. It fast forwards. It just doesn't like my tape. Well, isn't that weird? Went through all that. Let's see. Let me try a different tape. This one's not the best tape in the world. This don't have anything on it. Here's the tape I want to play. Let's see here. Just that one will do that. It'll do that. Okay. So the bottom line is I want it to fast forward, so it's fast forwarding now. That's for the blast. Radio. Where did tuning knob go?
In a really
Got it stronger, got you up.
Anyway, there it is. So
again, a very dour or negative.
Anyway, so that works. Tape player works, and it fast forwards, and it rewinds. Let's see here. Will it do my old tape now that's had a little exercise? No, keep forgetting it doesn't have that. It doesn't like my tape. Alright, here, let's flip it over. How about? Okay, it'll go that way, and it'll do that. It just won't do the other side. Why is that? Who knows? I don't know. Okay. Wouldn't do that before with the old belt, which was this one here. All right, so I'm good. Let's see here. Well, okay. I'm going to stop this because it'll take me a few more minutes to do this. It's 11:32. I don't know how long that video's been, but it'll probably be 2 parts, but at least I can, anyway. Okay, so are you having too much fun here? Alright, so let's put this back on. Can't do that with that in the way. Oh, we forgot to put that back on. Let's put that back on. Alright, so that was a, this thing here, which is a great big nothing, but it came with it, so put this back. This, the machine thread, the washer. Okay, so washer. So this one is on here, in there. Well, I know I started at whatever 39 after the hour, and it's been an hour doing this, but yeah, that helps. And this goes, what? Here, wait. There it goes. So that went there. And this goes here. Wires aren't touching anything. So, yeah. Put this around the other way. Here we go. That up in here. Okay. Sure this wire goes around that pylon. Oh, we forgot to attach the antenna wire. Whoops. Don't forget that. They'll be upset. Say, hey, no sound. Okay, here's the antenna wire. And that goes on this. Okay, golly. Well, any day now. There we go. That on. Come on now. There you go. Okay, so now the antenna wire is on. We just got to get this That's why it has screws to hold all this stuff in place, right? I know you don't know this, but there's clips. Even though it screws all together, there's still clips that holds this thing in place theoretically. Sure. You're going to get the clips on one side, and the other side pops out. See, that's what's happening here. Okay. Let's see. Here's a clip, a clip, a clip, a clip, a clip. That's it. These are just took about this much time before with the other one. Okay, come on now, is that on there? Come on. I just don't understand this. I had the same kind of problem before. This is the clip, there's a clip, there's a clip, there's a clip, there's a clip. Okay, so. And then just this, I can get my finger up in here. Why won't this piece of plastic go up in here? See, now there it's on there, but it won't go. Oh, man. That's down. This has to go back in. Come on, go in. Go in. There we go. If I can just hold it, I got to get screws in. There's the bottom in. Got the top in. No, the bottom's not in. Of course not. Well, okay. Is the whole thing in now? It is. I just need to screw it together. Okay. So let's get the machine thread. Okay. And that one's lined up. Great. So it just drops in the hole. Right. So there you go. Here, give me this. So much easier. Gotta get it on there. There you go. And then it's so that, this, that one, this one, that one. Okay, so okay. All right, so get this all over your tape in here. So okay. All right, so now just here we go. So back to this. Hit power, play, wait, power. Jacked over here. No, wait. Do that both ways. Before I wouldn't do this both ways, so that's why you put a new belt in. Okay, so now I'm done. Now I'm going to say goodbye to Facebook and YouTube. But YouTube will be, this will be the second part of the first part. Okay, so good day, bye-bye, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. I gotta go and start on this one after I take a little break. Alright, gotta go. Be good. See you later. Bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. Too much fun. Alright, so, well, and then turn this one off.